Zimbabwean President Emmerson Mnangagwa has been secretly maneuvering in the region to realign his diplomatic relations with the neighboring leaders and others in the wider region to support him over his 2030 political agenda and restore legitimacy, which he failed to get during the disputed 2023 elections. A Southern African Development Community SADC headquarters diplomat, President Gaborone says, the news of Zachiti, from contestation to consolidation, Mnangagwa's regional realignment post 2023. People subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda with the news of Samdonya Rachiti. This was about trying to restore credibility, legitimacy, and a firm grip on power shattered by the 2023 elections. The diplomat from the SADC Secretariat in Gaborone told the news house, let's put things into context in order to understand what President Mnangagwa has been doing since the problematic 2023 general elections in Zimbabwe. He has been directly and indirectly working to restore credibility and legitimacy. That is why it was such a big deal for him to be SADC chairman in 2024. Hichilema was the chairperson of the SADC organ on politics, defense and security cooperation at the time. He dispatched a SADC election observer mission led by former Zambian Vice President Nevers Mumba, which hit hard and buried Mnangagwa for a while. The mission issued a damning report which rejected the poll results, saying they were not held in accordance with the Zimbabwe constitution and laws, as well as the SADC principles and guidelines governing democratic elections. After the elections, SADC held meetings in Lusaka, Zambia, and Luanda, Angola, to discuss the Zimbabwe issue, and the report stood. Mnangagwa only managed to push back and sweep the report under the carpet when he took over as SADC chairperson in 2024. Ramaphosa is the interim SADC chairperson. He assumed this role following the removal of Madagascar president. Mnangagwa quickly restored good relations with Ramaphosa through party-to-party engagements, which were badly damaged by misunderstandings over the July 30, 2020 protests in Zimbabwe and the July 30, 2020 Zimbabwean security forces heavily enforced a lockdown in Harare and other cities to prevent planned ungoverned protests against corruption and economic crisis. Security forces manned checkpoints, cleared the capital city center, and ordered residents to stay at home, resulting in mass boycott and arrests. Doma developments are kuda panguva ino. Kana kumesa kushemedza za fundo enyi muli pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, but you don't turn the bell icon.